Hi and welcome back to MRTV with the first hands-on of the Quest Pro. Yes, here it is. And yeah, it is one solid piece of VR headset, as you can tell, as we knew, of course. And yeah, weight-wise, it is okay. I wouldn't say it's like super heavy. I can hold it with one hand, that's all right. So 700 gram, I know that already, right? So here are the lenses, pancake lenses, as we know, and here I'm using it with the side blinders on the side, as you can tell here. And well, down here there's light coming in, I suppose. I will see it in a moment. All right, so let me put this on and tell you about. Okay. All right. Okay, interesting. So I'm now here in the menu, in the main menu. And what do I see? Well, this looks very, very Quest 2-ish. This looks, yeah, just like the Quest 2. However, it's clear. It just looks clearer. Yeah, makes sense, right? Quest 2, but through clear lenses. So that is my very, very first reaction that I see here. Colors, yeah, look good without a doubt, but I also like, my very first impression is not like, oh wow, this is like such a huge step up from Quest 2. But what I can also tell, like, yes, there is more FOV than the Quest 2, without a doubt. So it is absolutely noticeable. It is absolutely noticeable. Like, yeah, I would say this is really probably 100-ish, more than 100, which is great. And everything is very clear from left to right. I can look up with my eyes that I'm doing right now. And also vertically, it is a nicer FOV. So that is good. Also right now, in terms of comfort, I do think this is a really comfortable feeling right now. It's a comfortable headset, I would say. This is my first feeling after putting it on for the first time for a couple of minutes. I don't feel any pressure points on my forehead, and it feels very balanced. Yeah, okay, cool. That is really nice. I can see screen door effect. Well, it's the same resolution like Quest 2. Yeah, so yeah, the resolution is not like blowing me away right now. Absolutely no. But it is very clear. Hand tracking, yeah, just works as great as expected.
And what shoe size are they?
So that is
39, is that?
That is pretty nice. So what is standing out to me right now is actually the comfort as compared to the Quest 2, the clarity, absolutely not the resolution. Color-wise, I'm also right now not impressed. I must see more, obviously, right? But this is just my very first reaction, and I do like the FOV. There's more to look at.
Yeah, let me just check.
Would I want to use it over the Quest 2? Without a doubt, absolutely. Yes, this is good. But what I can also tell you, those blinders here, yeah, they do not let the light in from the side. But here, I can absolutely see everything that is going on downstairs here, right? So I cannot. Yeah, I can see my hands. Right? So if I would be working on something, I could totally see my hands like on the keyboard, doing things. So if I was using this for a professional kind of like application, yes, absolutely. I would see something here, and I would still totally see, yeah, the keyboard or whatever. Okay, let's see what else if I can see something more here. Okay, now I'm using. Oh yeah. Okay, right. So now I'm doing the pass-through mode. Oh, ouch. Okay, so that is a bit underwhelming now. That is, yeah, this is without a doubt worse than on the Pico 4, without a doubt. In terms of resolution and also in terms of colors. Interesting. That is really interesting to see. Also, like, okay, I can see less on my phone on my camera here than I can see on the Pico 4. On the Pico 4, I can totally see the screen. I can totally use my phone. Here, I could not use the phone. Hence, oh, the overlay. Wow, it has latency. Like, I can see my hands right now, and I can also see the overlay, obviously. And it has quite a lot of latency here right now. So this is way better on the Lynx R1, in my opinion.
So if you look down now.
So on the Lynx R1, you don't have this kind of latency that the virtual hand will follow you within a half a second. It's directly there. So, wow, pass-through mode and hand tracking right now, as compared to the competition out there, this is my first impression, right? So, not there, not there at all. Interesting, really interesting to see that. Yeah, so less resolution, and the colors also worse than on the Pico 4 for the pass-through mode. And the hand tracking is slow. Interesting. Let's have a look at the controllers here. Okay, so the controllers are here. All right, so the controllers, yeah, they feel good in the hands, absolutely. They are a bit heavier than the Quest 2 controllers. And the buttons feel a bit more delicate, I would say. But yeah, okay. So yeah, it's kind of a Oculus Touch experience that we would come to expect. Okay. Yep, it's just from the feel of it, that's something. It's a feeling that we know already from the Oculus Touch. Yeah, but in terms of comfort, I really like it right now. It feels good. Just like, yeah, the pass-through mode is without a doubt a letdown. It feels also like a bit wobbly. It's not so stable, what I see. Anyways, let's take this off again. And okay, yeah, I think for a few minutes this looks okay, I think. Yeah, so my very first impressions, it feels for me like a very comfortable device with good optics. No optics that would like blow me away though. With a better FOV, very clear. Colors are all right. So far, I must say I haven't really seen those, the colors that would like blow me away, honestly speaking. But let's go back. Yeah, but the lens, without a doubt, is so much better than Quest 2, right? So there's no more glare, no more God rays, and it feels good. Feels good. It feels like a device that I could see myself, work in VR for several hours in it until the battery dies. But yeah, so that does feel good, and these are my very first impressions of the Quest Pro. I hope you enjoyed it. If yes, give it a thumbs up, and of course, if you've not yet subscribed to MRTV, absolutely do that now and click on the bell button so that you don't miss anything. Obviously, you'll get much more Quest Pro content. And so simply stick to the channel. I'm going to show you everything that the Quest Pro has to offer. Until then, do let me know in the comment section what you thought about my first hands-on, and I'm looking forward to read that. And until the next video, bye-bye.